Hello everyone, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back again to the channel. Today's video is going to be a brow tutorial. All right, let's get into it. First is just to prep the brows, and by using this spoolie, I'm just going to use spoolie first to just brush the brows upwards. So as I'm brushing the brows, I actually applied hair wax. So this is the hair wax I am using to brush the brows as well. So I'm brushing the brows upwards. So I'm just using it to brush the hair upwards so that I can see how to go about the sketching of the brows. Next, I'll be using this tissue to just dab on it because I do not want any oil around the brows, so that's why I'm using this tissue. This is the white tissue, so I'm just dabbing it just to remove excess oil on the brows first to keep the brows dry. We just go ahead to use this setting powder, and this is Sacha Butter Cup. I really love this setting powder, so this is what I'm using to just with this blending sponge to just dab on the brows like so. And as I'm dabbing or as I'm applying the setting powder, I'm also kind of blending it. This is also to keep the brows dry as well, so that's why I'm using this setting powder. Moving on, we'll just go ahead to use this pencil this is Davis pencil, the regular Davis pencil. So I'm using it to sketch the brows first, and also I'm also going to use it to fill in the brows. So I made sure I sharpened it very neat or very sharp. I sharpened it very sharp. So I'm going to use it to sketch the brows and also use it to fill in the brows. Alright, I like to start sketching the brows from underneath the brows first before the top. So that's what I'm going to be doing, the underneath the brows first and then the top of the brows. At this point, we just allow you to just watch the video so that you can see how I'm sketching the brows and how I'm, just defining the brows and filling it up.
That you don't need me. It's kind of sexy when I want it, but you tease me. You don't let them get inside of your head.
Right now, I'm filling the brows where there are no hairs, where she doesn't really have hairs on the brows. So I'm sketching or I'm filling it very lightly, nothing too serious, and I make sure that my brow pencil is really sharp, and I keep switching the brow pencil because I want to just get I want the brows to look natural.
Cause when I leave, I'll be back to your bed. Cause girl, we got a good thing, so I can't let them fuck this up, ready for wedding rings. One of a kind, glad your mind's such a blessing. Future baby mama, if you're ready, you know that I would do it, so don't test me. Looking sexy, you bring out the best me, they gon' copy. Shouting you the best I've ever had by far, so I'ma treat you better than your last by far. No matter what you do, can't nobody tell me shit about you. I really can't explain the things you do.
So I went on to do the same on the other side of the brows. Remember that brows are just siblings. They are not identical twins. They are just siblings. So I just defined the other side of the brows as well.
But it makes me crazy.
So moving on, next is to use concealer underneath the brows. So I'm using her shade of concealer underneath the brows because, like I said before, this is a natural look. We are going for a natural look. So I'm using her concealer shade underneath, and for the top part of the brows I skipped that part because I don't want anything too dramatic, so we are going for a very natural look. So yeah,
over you. No matter what you do, all I think about is you. And if they got a problem with my boo, then they got a problem with me too. I love your conversation, your touch is motivation. Swim good, dive in your ocean, backstroke, nah. Can see it before, but now I walk, nah. First class, never fly coach, nah. Girl, you get the best, I don't see the rest, Shawty, you the best I've ever had thus far, so I'ma treat you better than your last by far. No matter what you and I need you.
Here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching the video from the beginning to the end. Hope you're able to learn one or two things from this video. Please do not forget to share the video to friends and family. Give the video a big thumbs up. Leave any question you have in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.